Connecting with your audience via Instagram Reels is the easiest, but did you know it is also help in getting brand collaborations easily and also making more money? If you want to know how, keep on watching. So you're posting all those amazing how-to tutorials, how to style, how do you do your makeup, etc. reels. But did you know that your content should not be specifically strictly aligned towards all those very CDC stuff, but your content should also have a mixture of the fun bits of yourself. For example, if my account is strictly about Instagram and digital marketing, Instagram marketing, social media marketing, it's fine if I post all the Instagram related videos over there. It's fine if I keep on posting all those technological educational videos, but it's also really nice when people know more about you. Most of the times, who are the people who are watching your content might want to know a bit more about you. 80% of your content should be the content which is helping you in grow, which is tutorials, how to style, how to do makeup, etc, etc. But the 20% of your content should be the content which is connecting people to you. Your audience needs to know who you are, what do you like, and how are you as a person. So that is how Reels are going to help you connect with them, and I'm going to be showing you 4 options or 4 ways you can connect with your audience using Instagram Reels. The more audience connects with you on Instagram, the more they are going to tell their friends to follow you, the more their engagement rate increases, the more brand collabs you get, or the more products you are able to sell to your audience on Instagram. The first one being very straightforward is the challenge video. Never underestimate a challenge video. We have seen this or that challenge. There are so many challenge videos happening on like makeup, fashion, like there was this shoe thing, there was this hair flip thing. I think there is also like a bursted challenge which is happening right now. I did this or that challenge, very fun challenge, and literally I gained 80,000 views. Who would have known? I gained literally 80,000 views on that. I think I did one more lip sync video. It was like a very funny one. Again, like above 50,000 views. Who would have known? Look, such smaller things like this, people are very like take it very lightheartedly. They would know you as a person, know your opinions as a person, and they might just, keep you in consideration, keep you in mind that, oh yeah, she did this challenge. I really like that challenge. So do not underestimate challenges. If you want to know more about challenges, Instagram trends which are happening, what should you do, how can you get the most out of it and get viral using Instagram Reels, click the first link in the description. It is a master course to my Instagram Reels master course, which is a 4-hour master course. Count the times I've said master course, by the way. You can just check it out. So yeah, let's get to the next point. Next thing which you can do is day in my life. Now this, I wouldn't recommend you to do it every week, but maybe like once or twice a month, maybe where you have a very hectic day. For example, if you're a fashion blogger, you can show a day in my life of how you go to a shoot, how many videos do you make, show them behind the process, which makes them even more curious on what you do and how you shoot videos. It's just very interesting to people. Next thing is showing behind the scenes. Now this kind of relates to the day in my life, but something else. Now if you've seen, there are these photography accounts which basically show that, I took a photo using fairy lights, and then they show the behind the scenes that the fairy lights are wrapped around the camera, and then when they click the photo appears which they have taken from the camera, if you know what I mean. But you're getting what the point is. So this is a way of showing the behind the scenes on what happens. Again, I think I've seen a lot more people talking about the businesses. I've seen a jewelry business page showing how they make jewelries, how they pack it, and then they create reels on that. This is also a really great way to connect to your audience. Show them the process, show them how your lipsticks are made, show them how your jewelry is made, show them how you are creating different things. It literally shows them the important process and what makes you the amazing brand that you are. And the next thing being a funny video. Now funny videos are epitome of Instagram Reels. Everyone, like even if I open my Instagram DMs right now, you will see some or the other person sending me funny meme videos on like Instagram Reels. The Reels are basically getting more shared than like normal post as of now. So if you have a funny video, I think like anything where you're just falling down or you're just doing some goofy thing with your friends, something like that, just share it. And usually that is really getting picked up and people really like that. People like the quirky side of you which they might have not seen, so it might get picked up. Your audience might really like it. It is a very fun way to interact with them, and I mean that would really help. So those are the 4 ways you can connect with your audience using Reels on Instagram. Now if you want to know more on how to gain content, how to create innumerable content ideas for your Instagram Reels, I would redirect you to my masterclass where I've literally explained you everything on how to get content, how to script the content, how to get viral, and explaining the Instagram algorithm. So if you want, you can just check it out. That was it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.